With more than 150 new cases of COVID-19 over the last 3 days, Public Health says the case count has shot back up after a reduction in the numbers last week.
Unfortunately, over the weekend, they were back strong again.
Medical Officer of Health Dr. Elizabeth Richardson says Hamilton is seeing about 50 cases a week per every 100,000 people, putting Hamilton right in the red zone.
We're continuing to stay sort of stable in our numbers. We have a little bit of variation, but we're not getting better.
3 more deaths were recorded today, including 2 at seniors' facilities, which continue to be hard hit with outbreaks. 1 died at Chartwell Willow Grove Long-Term Care Home, where at least 15 people have died, and 1 at St. Joseph's Villa. With 43 cases now, the outbreak at Hamilton Continuing Care Home has gotten so bad that over the weekend, Public Health issued an order directing St. Joe's to manage the facility with an eye on infection prevention and control measures.
With COVID-19, you need nearly perfect adherence to those measures, and you need a lot more staffing.
Today's 3rd death is a woman in her mid-50s who was from the community. A total of 78 people have now died with coronavirus in Hamilton, and right now there are 360 active cases. Dr. Richardson is encouraging people to stay home unless they absolutely have to go out and avoid travel outside the region.
We want to reduce transmission, and particularly going into in and out of hotspots. That's a concern for us.
Richardson says Public Health continues to see people ignoring minor symptoms and going out into the community and waiting too long to get a test. She says getting people to follow the guidelines is still an area where more work is needed. Matt Ingram, CHCH News, Hamilton.